Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP on a Windows computer. So the first thing I want to do is open up a browser here, and I'm going to search for XAMPP, which is XAMPP. Hit enter, and you'll see this ApacheFriends.org site come up. I'm going to click on that, and I want to get XAMPP for Windows, which at the time of this recording will give me PHP 8.2.4. I'm going to click on this, and my download should start in just a moment. Once the executable is downloaded, you'll see here my virus checker says it's safe, of course, and I'm going to go to my downloads here, and I'm going to right click and open. You're going to have to agree to make changes, to have XAMPP make changes to your device. I can close this out. Okay, so it says it seems you have an antivirus running. In some cases, this may slow down or interfere with the installation of the software. Do you want to continue with installation? I'm not going to worry about this right now. Click OK. And let's go through the setup wizard. Okay, so I'm going to keep all this stuff here, and click Next. And it's going to install it in the C drive under the folder XAMPP. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to keep it as English and click Next. Okay, so it says Setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. I'm going to click Next and let it go ahead and install. Okay, as you can see here, it says completing the XAMPP setup wizard. Setup has finished installing XAMPP on your computer. Do you want to start the control panel now? I'm going to leave that checked and click Finish. Okay, so we got the control panel open. Now, I'm going to right click here and pin this to the taskbar because I'll be using this fairly often for web development. If you don't want it pinned, you can always find XAMPP through your apps. So if you go ahead and you start searching, you have the XAMPP control panel pull up and you can get it that way. What I want to do now to start a site is I'll turn on Apache, so I'll click Start, and also turn on MySQL and click Start. Okay. And now what I want to do is open up a text editor. So I'm going to open up the Coffee Cup HTML editor. You can open up whatever one you want. That's just the one I'm going to use. And let's open a file. Actually, let's create a new PHP file here. So we got a new PHP file. I'm going to save this. And when I go to save this, I'm going to go and look in my files here. And I want to go into the C, into XAMPP, and into htdocs here. And then I want to create a folder, and this is where I'm going to keep my folders for my website projects. I'm going to call the folder test. Yeah, you can call it whatever your website is. And go in here, and I'm going to save this as index.php. Okay, and I'll click save. And then let's do something like echo hi. XAMPP is now running, and close that off and save it. Okay, so now if I open this up here and I go to localhost, there you go, XAMPP is running. I can have the dashboard here. If I want to do, let's see, if I change this to test, there we go. We've got our website up and running with PHP running in the background. So we got, hi, XAMPP is running. This is how you will build your site locally using XAMPP with PHP. And then you can put it up to your web server at a later point. But congrats, you've got XAMPP installed. It's pretty easy. When you want to turn this stuff off, you just click stop, and you can close this out. That's all there is to it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.